On today's episode of Depreciation Nation, we are going to replace one of the most commonly neglected maintenance items on Josh's 2006 Audi A4 right here, and that item would be this, the fuel filter. Fuel filters are commonly neglected because people don't think about them. They are designed to trap the contaminants in the fuel, and when they fail to do so, those contaminants can make it into your pump, causing your pump to burn up. Now, there are a few things to this process, particularly since the car is a direct injection car. The pressure on the system is rather high, so we've already taken a few steps in that. I'm going to open the door here, and we have removed our number 28 fuse, which runs the fuel pump. It is a 20 amp fuse right here. We've started the car and allowed the car to exhaust the fuel pressure so that we can now safely replace the fuel filter. So come on with us. We're going to show you how that process is done now. Lav is under the car right now, and he's currently removing the 10mm bolts that hold the splash guard in place over the filter.
Those lines off. We don't want to pull it out yet because the lines don't have that much give to them. I can't see that side of it. What does that side of it look like? Because there's one right here.
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Okay.
Button right there. Yeah. I can't see the best.
Big one. I'm kind of sad that they can't smell this on camera.
Alright, so that wraps up the fuel filter.
Yes, sir.
Thanks to Lav. We disposed of our fuel in a fairly appropriate manner with a dip pan, although there was a little bit of leakage and there was a little bit of spillage, but all that's left is to plug that fuse in and hope the car starts. So let's do that right now.
It's right there, and then I forgot the keys.
Okay. We're gonna let the fuel pump prime for just a minute. All right, so filter's installed, the car starts, we don't seem to have any leaks. So thanks for watching. Thanks to you, sir, for the dirty work today. And that wraps it up. So remember to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification to join our nation, and by all means, remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. Depreciation is the name. We will see you next time.